everyone, it's me Suchita. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about teacher career in India, and I have someone with me who doesn't require any introduction. She is Khyati Raja, and I think you all know her by the name of Teacherpreneur. Yes, she is a young mother plus a commerce teacher. She has done her MCOM MAt, and now she's pursuing her PhD in education. So we'll welcome Khyati. Let's ask Khyati only about her journey, how she started, this teaching career plus the YouTube. So let's talk to her.
Hello guys, so my name is Khyati and I'm a passionate teacher by choice. I am from India and I want to make more and more content for Indian teachers. Hence I started my YouTube channel Teacherpreneur. Academically, I have done my MCOM and MEd and currently I am pursuing my PhD in education. I wish to continue learning as far as I can teach, and hence I am into teaching, and I feel teaching and learning go hand in hand. That's what my motto is on the channel as well.
And I think it's really great what we all are doing, and especially Khyati. You go and check her channel, that is Teacherpreneur. That is a channel which is for a teacher and by a teacher. I think that is enough to say about that. Go and check it out now. So let's start.
Sure, ma'am.
So my first question is, how and where to start a teaching career in India, especially, Khyati?
Yes, ma'am. So firstly, you have to ask 5 questions to yourself if you decide to be a teacher in India. Firstly, do I have the skills and abilities to be a teacher? Because teaching in India is not technologically driven. You'll need a lot of patience and manual work. Chalk and duster is still the method that we use in India.
Yes.
Secondly, you have to think which grade are you comfortable teaching? Are you okay with higher standard teaching, or you want any standards that are lower? So secondly, that question. Thirdly, you have to know that what subject you want to teach, what subject is your expertise in, because I believe if you are a teacher, you have to know your content in and out. If you are very good with your subject, then only you'll be able to teach it. So I think that's the third thing.
Yes.
Fourth thing, you have to know where you are academically there. So for example, if I have to teach economics, I need to have a degree in commerce at least.
And
if
that also depends, like, suggest your level in that.
Yes. And for example, economics के लिए commerce is also fine, arts is also fine, but I should have some base level learning or educational degree in that. And fifth question is, which teaching degree do I need to teach what I have decided? I will elaborate on that. For example, if you have to teach pre-primary students over there, you just need to be 12th pass and you need to have an ECCET course. So अगर आप 12th pass हो और आप decide करते हो कि मुझे छोटे बच्चों को पढ़ाना है, तो आपको सिर्फ एक ECCET course करना है and you can be a teacher.
Yes.
अगर आपको बहुत अच्छा teacher बनना है, तो आप additional courses कर सकते हो, जैसे phonics हो
Which
गया,
will
Vedic
enhance your
maths.
skill in that.
Yes, definitely. Abacus, Vedic maths, phonics, depends on which standards or which area you want to teach. Which subject you are teaching also matters. If you want to teach 1st to 4th standard, you have to do DEd with your basic degree.
Yes.
And then if you want to teach 5th standard to 12th standard, you need BEd.
Along with your subject degree.
Along with my subject degree, bachelor's is more than enough if you are teaching 5th to 10th. पर अगर आप 11th 12th को पढ़ाना चाहते हो, which is junior college in India, तो आपको BEd के साथ साथ masters चाहिए in that relevant degree and relevant subject. Then only you can take junior college. और उससे beyond आपको पढ़ाना है तो you need to clear NET set exam. That's how it works in India.
For the universities and
Yes,
colleges.
yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, as we covered already about how to find the area where we need to concentrate, plus the degree and all. But if I'll talk about the qualities and the skill, what all is required to become a good teacher in India?
I think there are many qualities that a teacher requires to be a teacher in India. The first one is that you should have knowledge of the subject matter that you're teaching. You need to be an expert in, because students can ask any possible doubt and you cannot stand blank in front of them.
And that will enhance your confidence also, actually,
Yes,
right?
yes, it's very important. Secondly, you should have a passion for teaching. If you're not loving your job and you're not having that amazing feeling as soon as you enter the classroom, your job will be mediocre. Your job is not done once you teach. Your job starts when you teach. As a teacher, it's much beyond the classroom.
And exactly, when you stand there, the students can make out the difference you are teaching by heart or by mind, right? right?
Yes, definitely. It matters. You should also have patience because that's a quality that's required the most. You should also have optimism in you because if you are positive and you give out that kind of a vibe, your kids will also take that. And lastly, I think I would definitely like to quote that once a teacher, always a learner. So if you're a teacher, you have to keep on learning. You have to have professional developments going in place. You have to be up to date with what changes are going in the education field as well as in the world. Just before Corona, we all did not know what is Zoom, what is an online class. But jab wo challenge aaya, we all teachers went through it because we were passionate for learning. Once we learned everything, we are now comfortable with it. Now it does not feel any major obstacle that we cannot overcome. But ऐसे ही if it keeps on throwing challenges, you need to overcome that in the similar manner.
Exactly. Yeah. My next question is something which is like really in demand of the situation, as we all went through this COVID situation. We know as a teacher we are really struggling with the finances, the cut off in salary and all. How is it being an Indian teacher we manage the finances with that teacher's salary?
See, I'll be very honest with all of you. An Indian teacher is not paid enough to live very well. That's the brutal truth that we have to accept, and I hope someday this changes through our channel.
And I think we are doing this to change that scenario only.
Yes.
We are working in that direction, right?
Right.
Yes.
We both hope that someday this changes.
Definitely.
So I'll definitely elaborate on having a side hustle along with your own job, because you know that as a teacher in a school, you have to work for limited hours only. After that, you have a lot of time at home. So what I personally believe is that with your job, you should have some sort of side hustle, as in you could give extra classes, tuitions, home tuitions. You could have a YouTube channel like we both have, or you could have a course of your own, about which in detail videos will be coming very soon on my channel.
Yes. As you mentioned about the online course, I just figured out you started an online course, which is I think something related to the elementary school teacher. What is that? How anyone who want to start something like that, how they can start?
Yes, ma'am, I do have a course. The course is called Phonicpreneur, wherein I train teachers and parents in phonics. Everything related to phonics is covered in that, in live lectures. If we all want more details, you could follow me on my Instagram and you'll get all the details over there.
Oh, that's really great, Kathy. But I really want to, I think my audience also, like how to start. For example, I do have a topic which I want to really share with other teachers. So how to start, like how the live lessons. Can you just give a brief about it?
Yes, ma'am, definitely. So there could be two ways. अगर आप free में पढ़ाना चाहते हो, या you want to earn money out of it. If you want to teach in free, जैसे हम कर रहे हैं, YouTube channel is the best way out, I believe. Of course, you'll get monetized, but the truth of YouTube, we both know that it's very difficult to get to the monetization stage and earn something out of YouTube.
Yes.
Once you reach a level, it's easy, but to reach that level, I've taken more than 3 years, and she also has taken enough time. So we know how much struggle it is in becoming a YouTuber. तो अगर आप free में पढ़ाने की इच्छा रखते हो, then go for YouTube. Pick a niche, pick what you want to teach, the subject that you're good at, or what standard you want to teach, और आप अपनी तरह से पढ़ाना शुरू कर दो. जैसे अभी आप ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स ले रहे हो, उसी को अगर आप रिकॉर्ड कर एक जगह डालना चाहते हो, तो दैट इज हाउ यूट्यूब वर्क्स. बट इफ यू वांट टू टीच फॉर अ पेड गिग, देन यू हैव टू ऑप्शंस. यू ईदर टेक लाइव लेक्चर्स और यू टेक प्री रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स. अगर प्री रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स है तो वो उसी तरह काम करेगा जैसे आपने यूट्यूब पे वीडियो डाल दिया, आप यूट्यूब पे ना डाल के प्राइवेट एक्सेस बनाकर उन सभी को दो. और अगर आप लाइव लेक्चर्स ले रहे हो तो आई थिंक जूम इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन. जूम, गूगल मीट पे टीचर्स आर स्टिल टेकिंग लेक्चर्स एंड दे आर अर्निंग थ्रू इट. दोज आर द
time availability.
Yes,
for example,
yes.
we have the time to show live, then we can go ahead with that. Otherwise, record and we can share the
Yes.
on any platform.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah, that's all about how we start the teaching career and how we earn and all. But the truth is, being a mother, like you are also a mother of a young child, it's really hard sometimes to make a balance between the life and you can say the career. So how you manage that, Kathy?
सो आई थिंक मेरा एक ही मंत्र है, बी वेयर यू आर एंड गिव 100% टू वॉट यूर डूइंग करेंटली. जैसे अभी हम वीडियो शूट कर रहे हैं, आई एम स्टिल अ मदर, माई चाइल्ड इज जस्ट इन द नेक्स्ट रूम, बट आई एम नॉट बॉदर्ड अबाउट द चाइल्ड बिकॉज करेंटली मेरा प्रोफेशनल कमिटमेंट है, मैं इधर हूँ तो मैं सिर्फ यहाँ का काम करूँगी, तो मैं वहाँ के बारे में नहीं सोचूंगी. पर आई ऑल्सो मेक श्योर कि जब मैं अपने बच्चे के साथ हूँ, मैं अपने करियर के बारे में नहीं सोच रही हूँ. Yes, yes, I think that's how you do it. That's my mantra of doing it. जब आप पढ़ा रहे हो तो आप सिर्फ उसी पे फोकस करो. एंड मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एज एन इंडियन मदर यू नो कि आपके बच्चे को कितना टाइम कहाँ कब चाहिए और आप कहाँ से टाइम स्क्वीज इन कर सकते हो. मैं बिलीव करूँगी कि अगर आप सोचते हो कि आप 3 घंटे की कमिटमेंट दे सकते हो दिन की, तो 2 ही घंटे की कमिटमेंट दो, बिकॉज बहुत फ्लक्चुएशन आता है. आई एम अ वेरी यंग मदर, आई नो हाउ इट वर्क्स. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, 3 घंटे अगर मैं दिन के दे सकती हूँ तो 2 घंटे की प्रोफेशनल कमिटमेंट दे देती हूँ. थोड़ा बहुत बफर रहा तो 3 घंटे का बफर यूज़ हो सकता है. तो जब मैं वो 3 घंटे वहाँ होती हूँ तब आई डोंट थिंक अबाउट माई फैमिली, माई होम, my kid, anything. That 3 hours I'm there only.
So basically you are dividing your life into 2 phases. One,
Yes.
if you are a mother, you are really there as a mother only, and if you are coming back to your career as a teacher, so you are there as a teacher, you're not thinking nothing about the family and as a mother.
Yes,
right?
I'm trying my best to balance that way.
Oh, that's really hard, and I think the best way to handle that.
Yes.
It's really great, like, you know, whatever all you shared with us, I think it really helped my audience to start the career and if whatever the hustle they are facing in their career. So that's all for today's video, Kathy, and really guys, you go and check out her channel. I think you will get amazing content, especially being an Indian teacher. I'll mention the link in the description box, so you go and subscribe her channel. And thank you so much, Kathy, for being here.
Thank you, ma'am. I had a great time too, and I'm looking forward to more such collabs. So if you all give enough likes and enough response to this video, we'll definitely come back with more and more amazing content. तो आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा? Do let us know in the comment section.
Yes, exactly, and do mention the queries and any question regarding the teaching career in India, and we'll ask Khyati ma'am to come again and answer all doubts. Okay,
Definitely.
that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.